back to East Coast UK. Today you join me at Felixstowe, down by the docks. As you can see, the container port there. But we will be flying over there, but we mainly want to concentrate and basically on Felixstowe itself. So we're going to fly up part of the way into Felixstowe, hopefully to the pier, and come back again and film a couple of different places, but then ending up eventually here. So right, skies look rather threatening, as you can see, so we need to be quick. All right, bye bye for now. Right, welcome back. Filming all done. We're back on terra firma. Sky's looking menacing, as you can see there. So yes, so we just about got it done. So hopefully we can do the rest of this filming in the drive, and then I'm going to quickly rush back to the van who's parked nearby. Right, so what we done? We went out all the way up to Felixstowe, which was in the distance there, up to the pier and to the Ferris wheel. I don't know if you can see that on here, but we did. And then we flew along to the coast, nice scenic views, and then over to the fort, which is, see what that little tower is there? It's just nearby there. And then we flew a distance, we zoomed into the container port. We didn't actually go over the container port, mainly because you can fly over it, but do you know what, I'm just going to keep well away from it, just film it from a distance, just to add to the filming. Right, okay, I think that's it today, because it's about to rain, I believe. So like, comment, subscribe, you know the jazz. For now, bye bye.